Arinath, you will have make a different life for yourself. So here Arinath's grandfather is suggesting him to choose a different life for himself. You have got your father's gift of playing the bean because he has got a talent how to play a bean, and you and your cousins can form a bean party and entertain people. So grandfather is also telling him that Arinath and his cousins can form a bean party to entertain the people. But do not waste this knowledge about snakes you have got from your elders. But listen, Arinath grandfathers tell him that don't waste your knowledge, okay, about the snakes you have got from your elders. So whatever you are taught by me and your father about the snake, don't waste it. Share your knowledge about snake with the children who live in town and cities. So who he is telling to impart this knowledge to that children who don't know about the snakes. Tell them that they should not be scared of snakes. So just tell that children of town and cities that don't no need to scare from the snakes because snakes are the friends. Help them to recognize the poisonous snakes. So help them how to recognize that this snake is poisonous and this snake is not poisonous. Tell them how snakes are friends of the farmers. So also tell that what is the importance of the snake in the farmer's life. So snakes are always consider the consider farmer's friend. So they eat the rats in the fields, otherwise rats would eat the crops. So how the snakes help the farmers? The snakes eat the rats in the fields, okay, otherwise rats will damage the crops of the farmer. Okay, so now you tell our story. Okay, so grandfather is giving the instruction that you will, yeah, it means that Arinath will tell his story. It means that snake charmer story to all people. Also make a new story of your of your life, and also he is suggesting that choose a new story of your life. It means that he earlier he said to him that choose a new different life. It means that you can play the bean perfectly, so choose this life to entertain the people. Also make a new, okay, so to tell your grandchildren. So now he is telling that choose a different life to tell about the story of your life to your grandchildren. Now, so right, have you ever seen animals being used for entertain of people? So have you observed any animal is using by any person to entertain, to earn the money for his family? Okay, if you have observe, then write it. Maybe you have watched it in a circus, on the road, in a park. When and where did you see this? So आपने कहाँ और कैसे देखा? When, कब और कहाँ देखा? Which animal show did you see? So which animal have you watched in your life? So all of you have to tell that which animal show have you watched in your life. How did people behave with the animals in the show? So peoples are behaving, which type of behavior they do with the animals while performing the show. Was anyone teasing the animals? Teasing means परेशान करना. कोई ऐसा when you remember your animal show, then you remind yourself that have you watched any person who is teasing the that animal while performing the show. So ये आपको पता करना है कि जब आपने उस एनिमल का शो देखा तो एनीबडी इज टीजिंग ओवर देयर, और कैसे टीज कर रहा था. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस केम टू योर माइंड आफ्टर सीइंग द एनिमल शो. सो आफ्टर सीइंग द एनिमल शो, व्हाट विच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन comes in your mind. Imagine that you are an animal in a cage. Suppose that if you imagine that you are an animal in the cage, think how would you feel, how will you feel about it. So complete the following sentences. I am afraid when I, all of you have to live here. Right here that when I kept in the cage. I wish, all of you have to fill the this blank. I'm sad when you get sad. If I had a chance, I would. I do not like it all well. So, all of you have to write the answer in your rough copy. Now, see this. Do you know of many kinds of snakes found in a country? Only four types of snakes are poisonous. So, number of snakes are found in India, but four types of snakes are poisonous. They are cobra, common krait, Russell's viper, duboia, saw-scaled viper, a five. A snake has two hollow teeth fangs, where when it bites, the poison enters the person's body through the through the fang. There is a medicine for snake bites. The medicine is made from the snake's poison and is available in all government hospitals. So, how many types of snakes are poisonous? Yes, there are four types of poisonous snakes in the world. So, cobra, first category comes of cobra, second is common krait, third is Russell's viper, and fourth is saw-scaled viper. So a snake has two hollow teeth. It means that is known as fangs. So when it bites, they insert the poison in that person's body. There is a medicine for snake bite. Yes, which when any snake bite any person, then he can move to the hospital where he gets the treatment of biting snake. Now, so all of you can see the image of these snakes, right? Okay. So, like snakes, charmers, which other people depend on the animals for their livelihood. So, you have to tell me peoples who are dependent on the animals to earn their livelihood. So yes, like a wise milkman. Okay, he is dependent on cow. Next one, poultry farmer who is dependent in on sorry on hen. Next one, yes, Tongawala, who is dependent on horse. Yes, very good. So now all of you have to just come on next paragraph. Survey people who keep animals. Talk to some people in your neighborhood who keep one or more animals for their livelihood. For example, a horse for tanga, hens for eggs, etc. Name the animals they keep. How many animals are there? Is there a separate place for the animals? So all of you have to search, do a survey near your house that how many neighbors are keeping the animals, okay, for their livelihood. So all of you have to do a survey and just write that person's name and which type of animal he has kept in his house. Now, who looks after them? What do the animals eat? Do the animals ever fall ill? What does the keeper do then? Make some more questions and discuss. Make a report on your project and read it out in the class. So all of you have to make a report of the your neighbor who are keeping animals for their livelihood and which type of treatment they are giving. Okay, now here is the snake puppet. So how to make a snake puppet? Yes, so here how to make a snake puppet? Yes. So take an old pair of socks, okay, and put one on your arm. Okay. So all of you have to put on and stick bindi, buttons or whatever you have at your home right now, and cut out a long strip, red strip of a paper for using as the tongue. Stick it in a place as shown. So all of you have to keep it here a stick, okay, of paper, sorry, a strip of paper, and on the other side of the paper make a V shapes cut and your snake is ready. So all of you have to make a puppet snake from your old sock, right?